How to buy crypto in 2025. In this video, we're going to quickly do a rundown, an informational style video. How can you go from this, or how can you go from this, or even something like this, straight into the world of crypto? Well, these days, I can tell you for sure, they make it very, very easy. It's not difficult at all. And we're looking at two exchanges in this video that I personally like using, and they are my favorite exchanges, right? Now that comes down to personal preference and multiple reasons, but I'm going to show you how you can get started right away. Now, you're someone that is interested in Bitcoin or Ethereum, and you're just wondering, how do I obtain it? Because it is quite overwhelming, and usually if you Google where to buy or how to buy, it can sometimes lead you to the wrong place. So I've made this video to kind of make it clear, as an experienced trader myself, someone that's done lots of different trading methods in the past and held crypto for some time, I want to show the ones I personally enjoyed. So basically we can see Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana. These are some of the top dog coins. And the first exchange I want to show you very quickly in this video is MEXC. Now, why? Super secure, highly liquid. It's pretty much globally accessible in many, many places. And they're really fair with their customers. They've got tiny, tiny fees, very easy to on-ramp fiat. It's very easy to trade and understand what's going on with this particular one. You can also see there are new user exclusive rewards and bonuses at the moment. So now is a good time indeed to be signing up in those few seconds and checking it out. So link is down below for any of these exchanges. And let's just basically talk about how we do this. So you can see here at the top of the screen, you've got buy crypto, and it says either P2P trading or global bank transfer. Now, what I personally would do is I'd click onto just the buy crypto tab, and it would bring you to this particular tab right here. Now, like I say, they make it so easy these days. You can use things like, I've got a cough. You can use things like Apple Pay, MasterCard, Visa. You can use Google Pay these days. Like I say, they do make it extremely easy. You can see some of the methods have fees, but in this instance, actually, there are no fees attached here. So you've got debit card, credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay on this particular entity. Then if you actually went to third party, I believe you can have the choice of MoonPay, Banksa, Alchemy Pay, Mercurio. There may be some fees attached with this particular one here. You've also got the opportunity to do a direct and straight up bank transfer with your Visa or MasterCard. But really, I think it's just so digestible now and so easy to do this that it doesn't really require much for an instructional video anymore. So once you have then, let's say you go over here, you've done debit card or whatever, you go in, you choose which fiat currency you want to deposit. I don't know, let's say you're going to do dollars, so USD, you put $100 into the exchange, you go through the Google Pay method, you do all that, and then you wait. Where's my money? Bing, you get an email. 20 seconds later, you got an email, and effectively, then you can navigate to your wallet section. And when you go to the overview on your wallet, it's going to give you this here, and it's going to give you the overview. And what you're going to want is in your spot account, you're going to want $100 in your spot account. So you'll find $100 in your spot account. And once you've identified that you've got some, cryptos, you can see here, I've got some crypto dust, got like Chainlink and Sucoin and things, just things that I've held in the past, right? And you can see here, look, Tether, I got $100. So how am I going to buy Bitcoin? What you could do is go to the top of the screen, hit the spot button because you're buying on spot. And then you're going to find Bitcoin on this top left tab. What we're going to do is go here, click Bitcoin USD, and you can search for many other coins. And all I'm going to do is literally go on the buy, on the market, and I'm going to put the total amount that I want. Let's say I buy $50 worth of Bitcoin, hit the buy button, and I've ordered it successfully. Now, when I return to my wallet and go to my overview and enter my spot tab, I'm going to see that I've now got $50 worth of Bitcoin rather than $100 worth of Tether. So already in 4 minutes, I didn't actually do the buy of I didn't put the dollars in, but you can tell how quickly that would actually be. If I had done that, all I'd have to do is literally just do Apple Pay, click 2 buttons on my phone, it's in, and I'm ready to go. We've got 1 minute left, and I can show you very quickly. You've also got Bitunix as well. You can do literally the same thing. You go to the top of the website, you go buy crypto, fiat deposit, credit card, debit card, and you go over here, and again, you've got all the similar methods that you can do. You've got fiat deposit, you've got third-party methods, which give you Apple Pay and MoonPay and all those sort of things, and Visas and credit cards, Revolut. And it really as easy as that. And it would be the same as going back into your wallet, going into your spot account, realizing, okay, I've got a bit on spot. And then what do? Well, you just simply go back into the spot side. I'm on the Bitunix exchange now, which is another great one. And then I would end up going here. I buy another $50 worth of Bitcoin. I'm on a limit order, so I change it to a market order because you want to be a taker, not a maker. And here you go. I bought Bitcoin. So that was super easy. That's like really, really easy. And hopefully this video shows you how easy it is. Just showing you on my account now. I can see the $50 Bitcoins right there. And it really was just that easy. So yeah, guys, I thought I'd show you these exchanges. Both of them I really like. MEXC, you can do staking, hold on earning. You've got some great features with it. On the Bitunix side, you've still got staking, like really nice staking opportunities. But then you also have on the future side copy trading as well, which is pretty cool and something not many exchanges do offer, where you can actually copy other successful traders out there. And Bitunix earn up to 11.6% on the Tether APY on a flexible term basis, which is also really quite good. They can be lucrative. Now remember, guys, not your keys, not your crypto. Nothing is safer than cold storage. But if you are someone that wants to remain liquid in the market, where you can access coins, tokens, trades, and be aligned quickly with the market, then maybe MEXC or Bitunix are ones you could like. Links are down below. If you're new here, please check out the Patreon. My Patreon is literally down below as well. This will give you access to the VIP group, where you can hopefully trade with us, learn more, be part of the community, get involved in stealth launches, trading opportunities, hot news, and early alphas as well, guys. And yeah, I just want to say thank you very much. Discord, get in there. It's down below. We're sitting at 42,600 members. And I also just want to say thanks for watching the video. Subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you soon. Have a great weekend. Let me know what exchange is your favorite and why.